Okay, here's the two most basic techniques to open a lock. First I'll start with raking. This is a snake rake. To rake, you either start from the back and work your way to the front with a fast outward movement. Or you start from the front and move backward into the lock. Raking is very effective for padlocks. It's also very fast. But for some of the more complicated locks, raking is not as useful as single pin picking, which is what I'm about to do. Single pin picking, you either start in the front, which is more common, and move your way back one pin at a time. Then you come back out. Sometimes this way is a little bit slower, but it's more skillful and more effective with more secure locks. Or you can start from the back and move your way to the front one pin at a time. So those are the two most basic techniques, and they will open most locks.